we want to solve for all the missing angles. And typically when they're given in this format, you're supposed to do them in the order that they appear. All right. And I'm gonna give you an opportunity here to work on these. Um, you don't have to do them in the order that they appear. I'll let you do them in any order you want. But take a minute or two. This is the kind of stuff you've been working on. Hopefully you can work some of these out.
Wait, is 236?
I want you to work them all out, and then I'll give you a yes,
Oh,
no.
let me get a calculator. Stop. Okay. And then 36. Um, Fours. Man. One is okay. So 3 plus 4 is 1. Plus 1. What? Wait, what did I do wrong? Oh,
You have any answers for me so far?
hold
I
up.
think you said
Yeah,
2
hold
was
up.
36.
Yeah.
Okay, that's correct.
Is 389.
3 is 89, correct?
And then 491.
How did you come up with 91?
Well, I just did like 89 plus. Oh, wait, no, that's wrong.
I'm not saying you're wrong.
Wait, is it wrong?
Well, I- before I answer
I
that, I
just
will
did
answer you.
89 minus 180.
Yes, yes, and that is correct. Um, okay, keep going.
And then one, I don't know what one is.
1 is related to 2 and the
Oh, is it
36.
180 minus 36?
Nope.
No. Is it also 36?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, it's an alternate interior angle.
Yes, there you go. And that's kind of what I was hoping you would get to saying eventually is like, because that's what they really want. They want the answer isn't as important as like 36 and 1 are actually corresponding angles. 1 and 2 are alternate interior angles. What are 3 and 89? What's the right wording for 3 and 89?
Um, 3 and 89 are vertical angles.
Yes, very good. Okay. And then 3 and 4 are considered same side interior angles, consecutive angles. Those are adding up to 180. Okay, so these angles add up to 180. Keep in mind that as we move to the next couple of problems, you have two things that we've talked about here. They either are congruent, which means they're equal, or they add up to something. All right, so let's look at another problem here. And I'm going to snip that in. Here we go. All right, so assume that these lines are parallel. What kind of angles are these? What name would you give to those angles?
Um, corresponding angles.
Yes, and are corresponding angles congruent or do they add up to
Yes.
something? They're congruent. So I want you to set those equations equal to each other and then solve for X.
Two X equals 86. And divide that by 2. 43. Or I feel like I did that wrong.
It is not 43.
Oh, that's what I did wrong. Let's see. Wait, no. Wait, what? 86. Wait, minus that. Is it not? Wait, what?
It is, and you got to move the X. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. I was looking at something different. Yes, it is 43. I apologize. You had it correct. Now, that is not the angle though. To get the angle measure, you have to put this number back in for X. Can you do that for me, please?
Okay. Wait. Oh, okay. 43 plus 64. 10, 100 is 107.
Yes, 107 degrees. Very good. All right, so let's look at another problem here. Gonna snip that in. There we go. Just like the previous problem, it's important that, I tell you a few things. One is that these lines are parallel. Yeah, they're parallel. Uh, what are these two angles called, or give me some words to describe them.
Um, Same side interior.
Yes. So are these congruent or do they add up to something?
They are not. They add up to something, right?
Yep. And do you know what they add up to?
180.
They add up to 180. Very good. So we're gonna write some more equations. 7y plus 56 plus 3y plus 44 equals 180. Will you solve for X?
Okay.
I'm sorry, for Y.
Oh,
There's
okay.
another, yeah, not
Oh,
Y. There was
right.
no,
So 7y plus 56 plus 3y. Plus 3y plus 44 equals 180. 180 plus 56 is 90, 100. So 80. 80 equals 10y. And then, so 8. Is it 8?
what's the answer for Y?
Uh, y. Oh, y equals 8.
Yeah, Y is 8. Very good. So that means that this is going to go in here or here. Actually, we want to put them in both this time. The reason we want them in both is because they're not equal. They're not congruent. So you're gonna have to put them in both of these.
44. 7 times 8 plus 50. What is that? 6? 56. Okay. 1.2. The first one is 122. The second one is 68.
Yeah, and once you get one, you can almost do the second one. Now, the second one is not 68 because that adds up to 190. That's kind of your classic multiple choice test. So go ahead and try that one more time.
Oh, sorry.
So
Oh,
that means that this one is wrong. One of them is not right.
3 times 8 plus 44. 68 is the bottom one.
It is definitely 68 on the bottom. So how does that affect the top one? And you
8.
can just subtract it from 180. That's
Hey,
okay.
what did I say the top one was?
Well, it was the wrong answer, so let's not say it again. Let's
Uh,
go with just multiplying and adding. You're
112.
welcome
That's
to use
what
a
I thought. It was
calculator.
112. That's what I had, is it not? 112?
7 times 8 plus 56. It is 56 plus 56.
Yeah, 112.
Yes, there we go.
That's what I had.
Excellent. All right, let's take a look at another one here. This one's slightly more sophisticated, but um, basically you want to assume that these lines are parallel. So if they're parallel, 12x plus 6, and this 90-degree angle here, which is corresponding, what is their relationship?
90 degrees and their corresponding angles, and they're congruent.
Okay. Yep. So this 12x plus 6 is equal to the 90 degrees. Could you solve that for x for us, please?
Well, yeah. So wait, would that be? Oh wait, you put it equal to 90.
It is equal to 90.
All right,
Yes.
12x plus 6 equals 90. Minus 6 minus 6. 90 minus 6 is 84. 12x 12 12 84. 84 divided by 12. 7.
Okay, so I agree. X equals 7, and you got it. All right. Not too bad here. So this is the most complicated question you will tend to get in this course. It ends up being a system of equations. Assume that these lines are parallel. What is the relationship between this and this if they're parallel? What are they called? And what do
Um,
you know about them?
their alternate interior.
Yes. So are they congruent or do they add up to something?
Congruent.
Say that one more time.
Congruent, right?
Yes. So y equals 3x. And then what do you know about these two that I'm circling that are on the same line?
They are not, they are equal 180.
They add up to 180. So we can say 2x plus 5y plus 3x equals 180. What can you do with this right here? This y equals 3x. Where can it go?
Um,
Where can you substitute it?
for the 5y.
Right there. Yeah. So it's 2x plus 5 times 3x plus 3x equals 180. All right. So this is 2x plus 15x plus 3x equals 180. I'd like you to solve for x. And then whenever you get for x, I want you to put it back in here for y.
Um, okay, so 2x plus 15x plus 5. So it's what, 2, 15, 20, 22x, 22x equals 180. Divide by 22. Wait, that is not right. Okay, wait. 2 plus 15 plus. Is that a 5?
This is a 15, yeah.
Is that a 5 after it?
Uh it's a 3.
Oh, that's a 3. Oh, that's why.
Yeah. Yeah.
20. Okay. 180 divided by 20. So 9. And then you said you want me to substitute it in for y?
Yeah.
Okay, so 2x plus 5, 9.
Well, I would substitute for this y. Y is 3x. That would probably be the best one to try.
2x, yeah. 5 times 9, 45. Wait, yeah. Plus 5x equals 180 minus 135. 27.
Okay, so y is 27. Very good. And that's all it's asking for. Okay, so let's try one more, one or two more. I don't know if we've done these, but why not? Why not do a few more of them? We're working on your solving equations. What type of angles are these here? When they meet at an x
Vertical.
vertical angles, are they congruent or do they add up to something?
Congruent.
So these are congruent, so set them equal and solve for x.
Okay. 6x plus 29 equals 8x minus 5 minus 6x minus 6x. 2x minus 5 is 29 equals plus 5 plus 30, 34. $17.
Yeah, x is 17. Now let's say we wanted to find the angle measure of this. What would we do with that x value?
Oh, substitute. Yeah, sorry.
Okay, so can you do that for us, please?
17, 8 times 17 minus 5. 8 times 17 minus 5. Oh, 131.
Right, very good. All right, now, what about the angle, the other one? What is that going to be? Without calculating it, what do you know about it? Because you already said it.
Oh, it's vertical. It's congruent.
So it's also 131 degrees. Now, what about the blue angle here? What do you might know about the blue? Let's say the
It's
blue plus 131, what does it equal?
180.
180, good. So y would equal 49 degrees. All right, last problem here. This one maybe looks a little odd, but are these angles? And again, this angle right here is pointing to this position right here. Are they congruent, or do they add up to something?
Oh, they're congruent.
Okay,
Correspond.
so they're corresponding. So go ahead and solve this equation for us, please. 11x minus 5 equals 7x plus 27.
Equals 7x minus 27 plus 5 plus 7, 27, 22, 32. Wait. Yeah, 27, 26, 25, 22. 11x equals 0x plus 7x plus 18x equals 22. Is that right? Of course it's not. I messed it up. That's annoying. Wait, did I? So minus 7x. God, what did I, wait, how stupid, okay, wait. 11 minus 7, 4. 7 plus 1. Oh.
All right, so once you get the X value, because we are pretty much out of time here.
I got 8.
Yeah, we're gonna put that back in. So 11 times 8 minus 5 is 88 minus 5, which is 83 degrees. And the other one is also 83 degrees. So, all right, good job. We keep getting some good practice in. We're